Here we go again, guys. Chris John here. So yeah, guys, today is Friday, Black Friday. So November something, I don't know what the date is. Don't want to try and figure it out. Yeah, guys, we decided to wait till the sun came up today. And we're heading out there, man. We'll see what happens. What do you think, Chris?
Hoping for the best.
Hoping for the best. We'll see what happens, guys. Like I say, don't know what to expect. Expect the worst and hope for the best. Cheers. Love yous all. Be positive, and we'll see you on the water. We're out.
Probably the best part of the day right here.
Oh yeah, Timmy's. That's what us Canadians do over here.
Since we won't catch buckle.
Yeah. Holy jeez. Look at Chris's truck. One extreme to another, eh? Going from hunting to fishing. I don't even want to get in this thing. Look at it. Did you get stuck out there yesterday?
What's up, Corey, baby?
Geez, fucking 10 minutes earlier, you could have put your cart into the fucking gas pump. Oh, the net. Yeah, we're rolling. Nothing. Nothing. How about you guys? Really? Now, have you guys seen many caught? Like, we see 3 fish caught all day. Really, eh? I'm good, man. See, we were coming up for you. It's like a good one. Oh, want us to grab it? Thank you. Nice. Yeah, look good. Nice fish, eh? That's all we needed, eh? Just needed to say we're getting nothing. Whoa! Sorry, man. I took that in the head. Nice fish, guys.
Time on Belgium, man. I'm just like